Let's say you're in a bar and you're playing some darts. You throw your first dart at the dartboard and you completely miss. You pick up a second dart, you throw it at the same dartboard and you get a tiny bit closer. You pick up a third dart, you throw it and you get a bullseye. How does this happen? What's happening in our nervous system that allows us to get closer to the target? Let's talk about the cerebellum. The cerebellum looks like a mini brain and it sits right at the back of our head. And although it's small, it comprises more than 50% of the neurons in our brain, even though it only takes up about 10% of the size. The cerebellum compares your intended motor outcome, throwing the dart at the bullseye, versus what your actual motor outcome is, missing the bullseye. And it tries to account for any mismatch between the two. So, because of this, the cerebellum is involved in motor learning. The cerebellum receives sensory inputs from things like our eyes, our ears, our muscles, and our joints, and it uses these sensory inputs to help fine-tune the control of muscles. Interestingly, alcohol has very strong effects in the cerebellum, which is why we are particularly uncoordinated when we're drunk.